Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let's wait for one more minute. Beta, I'm saying let's wait for other students to join because it is a combined class of section A and section C. Okay, so let's wait for others to join and then we are going to begin.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, we were supposed to start the question answers of chapter 16, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so
first
what
we
we
have
will
to
do today?
do difficult words.
Okay. So, see, section A has to complete this chapter. We will do a little reading and with both the sections, I'm going to start off with the difficult words. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have already read this chapter. Now let that class finish that chapter. And then together we are going to start with the difficult words.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon to everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, only 12 students have joined.
Yes, only so less students have joined. That is what I am seeing.
Ma'am, why is there not Hindi grammar class but this class?
Because beta, your teacher, Hindi grammar teacher, is on leave today.
And section A has to start from the beginning of the chapter.
No. Section A has read till Bihar.
Okay,
Now they have to start from West Bengal. Okay, Advika Gupta, you didn't get your turn to read. So Advika Gupta will start reading from West Bengal.
West Bengal. West Bengal is situated in the
Eastern part of India.
yeah. The state has unique location with the Himalayas in the north and the Bay of Bengal in the south. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly, which is distributary of the river Ganga. It flows into the Bay of Bengal along with the river Brahmaputra, forming the
Sundarbans. Forming the
Sundarbans.
Sundarbans.
West Bengal is one of the largest producers of rice and jute in India.
Okay, beta, wait. Advika, West Bengal is one of the largest producers. It is called the producers. Okay, now read.
Rice and jute in India. The hilly areas in the north are famous for producing fine quality tea. Wheat, potatoes, and mangoes are also cultivated here. The Sundarbans are home to the Royal Bengal tigers. Rice and fish are the staple food of West Bengal. The state is also famous for its sweets, Rasgulla, and Sandesh. Bengali is the main language spoken in West Bengal. There are many places to visit in West Bengal. The places of
Interest
interest in the capital city of Kolkata are the Victoria Memorial, Botanical Garden, and the Kali Temple. The famous Havra Bridge is built across the river Hooghly. Darjeeling, a hill station in the north of West Bengal, also attract tourists. San-
Shanti Niketan.
Shanti
Niketan.
Shanti Niketan in Kolkata has
a famous university
which was set up by the famous
poet
Rabindranath Tagore. West Bengal is also famous for the beautiful
hand-stitched Katha
work which is done on silk and cotton fabrics.
Yes. Then the city of joy, Kolkata. Who is going to read from section A? Adrika Singhal. Adrika Singhal is from section A?
No, ma'am.
No, but when we read this chapter in section C, you were not present, Adrika. Yes, you were not present. So you will read out the city of joy. All right.
Ma'am, it is on what page number?
Page number 107.
Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. It is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly. Kolkata was the former capital of British India and is presently one of the biggest urban centers in India. It has a large number of manufacturing industries. The jute processing industry of Kolkata is one of the India's largest. A large number of people in Kolkata are engaged in trade and commerce. However, many people also work in the government, educational and medical institutions. Kolkata was the first city to have an underground metro rail system in India. Other means of transport are trams and buses. The Kolkata tram is one of its kind. No other city in India has a tram network. The bridges built across the river Hooghly transport a large number of people to the towns located in the west of Kolkata. Kolkata has two major ports of India. The port of Kolkata was constructed by the British. It is one of the oldest ports of India. The port of
Haldia. The port of Haldia. What happened? What happened, Adrika? All right. The port of Haldia, located near the mouth of river Hooghly, is also a base for the Indian Coast Guard. Now, children, we see in the city of Kolkata, the city of joy, Kolkata has got two major ports. What are the names of those major ports of Kolkata, of India rather? The port of Kolkata and the port of Haldia. Everybody underline these two lines. Then we have many people also work in the government, educational and medical institutions. A large number of people in Kolkata are engaged in trade and commerce. And what different professions are they in? They are into government, in educational and medical institutions, which is in Kolkata. And which is the largest industry, India's largest industry that is situated in Kolkata, children? Can you just read out from the passage and tell me?
Food processing
And manufacturing industries.
Yes, it's jute processing industry of Kolkata. It is the jute producing industry of Kolkata. Then, after this, we have the desert region. Read out, who is going to read out the desert region?
Ma'am.
I cannot see students sitting with their cameras on today. Lakshay, what is wrong with you? That means Lakshay is not there in the class. All right, Pratishtha Singh, you read out the next one. The desert region.
Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rajasthan, known as Desert State, is located in the desert region. The climate in the region remains very hot and dry throughout the year. While temperatures are high during the day, the nights are always cool. Agriculture, sheep rearing, textile, printing, to-
Tourism.
tourism
Tourism.
and tourism and making handcrafts are the main occupation of the people of Rajasthan. Farmers grow bajra and oilseeds. Due to a scarcity of water, people sometimes move in groups from one place to another looking
Okay,
for
children,
water.
can you tell me what do you mean by scarcity? What is meant by scarcity?
Ma'am, less.
Ma'am, less. Ma'am,
Yes.
something which is very less.
Something which is very,
very
less.
less.
That is the shortage. It means the shortage. So the shortage of water over that place makes people move from one place to another. All right, then next.
These people are called
Banjaras.
Banjaras. The people of Rajasthan speak Hindi and Rajasthani. Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittorgarh have famous forts. The state of Gujarat lies in western India. Gandhinagar is its capital. Farming is the main occupation of the people. The crops grown here are jawar, bajra, cotton and oilseeds, and sugarcane and wheat. Ran of Kutch is known for its embroideries clothes. The desert region is also known for animals like the wild ass and the desert fox.
All right, very nice. So here we come to the end of this chapter. We have read about all the states that lie in the northern plains, whether it is the desert states or those are the states with other features. So children, all of you get ready for the dictation now. Let's include the difficult words from this chapter and practice them. Those who haven't got their rough copies or their social studies copies with them, please go and get them. I'm giving you 1 minute. Get your copies and get your pencils, sorry.
And we have to write in rough copy.
Don't write it in rough copy. Write it in your social studies copy only, the fair copies.
WhatsApp group also.
Yes,
Ma'am, we
everyone's ready? Everyone is ready now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The first word is,
No, ma'am, please wait.
all right.
Also.
Ma'am, what we are going to write right now?
Beta, we are going to give the heading dictation words. And then we are going to write difficult words from this chapter. Okay? All right, now ready, Varun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, the first word that you have to write is alluvial. Alluvial. The first word, alluvial. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
what is the word?
The first word is alluvial. Alluvial. The second word is perennial.
I'm written. Ma'am, second is?
Perennial.
Ma'am, first. Ma'am, first is?
Krisha, the first word is alluvial. Second word perennial.
मम्मी पढ़ना है वो
यार नेल कटर कहाँ गया? ये रहा। ठीक है, ये रहा मिल गया। चल अब चुप रहो। Next word is the third word. Now I hope all of you have written these three words. Oh, sorry, two words.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is navigable.
Ma'am, written.
Navigable also written.
Yes,
So you're going too fast, huh? Too quick.
Ma'am, I feel so
All right. Then the next word is cultivation.
Ma'am, written.
I'm written.
Okay, children. Everyone has got
Ma'am,
different
please
speed of writing. All right. I will repeat all the words from the beginning. Alluvial, cultivation, adequate, perennial. Oh, now you have to write adequate. Now you have to write adequate, and one word is navigable.
I'm written.
Ma'am, what is fifth
Ma'am,
word?
what is the fifth word?
1,
Adequate word.
3.
Ma'am, what is
The
fifth
fifth
word?
word is adequate.
Ma'am, what is the sixth one?
But a sixth word I haven't spoken. Now first let everybody write the first 5 words. Okay. Written. Then the sixth word is receive. The sixth word is receive.
I'm written. And what is the fifth word?
Ma'am, written.
Fifth word is adequate. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
ma'am.
Then we have written receive. Okay, after this you have to write now poultry. The next, beta, the next word is poultry. Poultry.
Written.
Written?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After poultry, write delicious.
Ma'am, written.
Delicious. Okay. Krishav, can you please repeat all the words from the beginning?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first is alluvial.
Alluvial. Yes.
Alluvial. Ma'am, second is perennial.
Yes.
Third is navigable.
Navigable.
Navigation.
Ma'am, you do not.
Navigable. Fourth is cultivation.
Okay.
Sixth is adequate. Sixth is poultry. Sixth is
which
poultry.
one? Beta,
Ma'am,
receive.
poultry.
Have you not written receive?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down receive. One word you have
Ma'am,
missed in
yes, ma'am.
between, that is receive. Then after receive, what is it, Utsav?
Ma'am, poultry.
Poultry. All right. After poultry, there is one more word.
Ma'am, delicious.
Delicious. After poultry, you have to
What is
write
the sixth
delicious. Yes?
Ma'am, what is sixth one?
Delicious.
Ma'am, sixth one is receive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sixth one, receive. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the sixth word?
Receive.
Received. Ma'am, nine is no.
How many words in total have you all written?
Ma'am,
Eight
Eight.
words.
Now the ninth word is going to be Baisakhi.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Everyone has written Baisakhi.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Please tell the
Yes,
tenth
ma'am.
The next word is Fulkari.
Ma'am, written.
What?
Fulkari.
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 Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written Fulkari or Fulkari?
Fulkari. It is Fulkari. Then the next word after Fulkari is industrial.
Ma'am, 11th is
Industrial.
Industrial.
Ma'am, what is
Yes, beta, what are you asking? Noel, are you asking something? Then after industrial, the next word is manufacturing.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Then the next one is
Ma'am, written.
after manufacturing, we have Kurukshetra.
Ma'am, what is 11th one? Ma'am, what is 13th one?
Beta, tell me what is the 11th one, children?
Ma'am, industrial.
Ma'am, industrial.
Industry.
Ma'am, what is 13th one?
What is the 13th word?
Kurukshetra. Ma'am, Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra.
Ma'am, how many words are there?
25. Then after
Ma'am, please tell 13th one again.
Kurukshetra. It is Kurukshetra. Then after Kurukshetra, we have lieutenant. What is the next word? The next word is lieutenant.
Written.
Lieutenant also written?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
All right, write it then. Hurry up and write it.
Ma'am, I have written.
All right, then after lieutenant, we have governor.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, what is 15th word?
Ma'am, written.
Governor.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, the next one is Humayun's tomb.
Ma'am,
Humayun's
what?
tomb.
Oh.
Ma'am, what is 16th word?
Governor. The 16th word is
16th.
governor. Then
16th
after
word is-
governor,
I'm done.
we have Humayun's tomb.
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Done?
Humayun's tomb is the 16th word.
All right.
Ma'am, Humayun's tomb.
Yes?
Ma'am, 16th word is Humayun's tomb.
All right. 16th is Humayun's tomb. Then after that, we have parliament. Which one do we have? We have parliament.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, written.
I have written.
I'm written.
Ma'am, what is the 17th word?
Which one?
Parliament.
Ma'am, 17.
Children, what is the 17th word?
Parliament.
All right. Then after parliament,
Ma'am, what is 17th word?
which one?
17.
13th.
Ma'am, Parliament.
Ma'am, 17th.
Children, is it parliament? The 17th word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Iram, do one thing. Repeat all the words
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. First, alluvial. Second, perennial. Third, navigable. Fourth, cultivation. Fifth, adequate. Sixth, receive. Seventh, poultry. Eighth, delicious. Ninth, Vaisakhi. 10th, Fulkari. 11th, industrial. Humayun's tomb. 17. Parliament. Ma'am, these are the words.
All right. Now the
Ma'am,
18th.
what is fifth word?
Now see, she has spoken all the words. What is the fifth word, beta?
Adequate.
Adequate.
What is 16?
Governor. No,
ma'am.
16th is Humayun's tomb. Now shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written all the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, since we are left with very less time, let us just see if we have written these words correct or not. Okay, tell me what is the first word? I have a chat box.
Ma'am,
Alluvial.
Everybody please check the spellings from the chat box. Is this what you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
written?
Yes, ma'am.
Be very honest
Yes,
with yourself. Okay. Then the second word. What is the second word?
Ma'am, perennial.
Perennial. Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the third word?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, navigable.
Navigable. Please check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
after navigable,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, cultivation.
cultivation. Okay. Cultivation.
Navigable.
Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after
Yes, ma'am.
cultivation,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, adequate. Ma'am, adequate. Ma'am,
adequate.
Educate.
Adequate. What do you mean by adequate, children? What is meant by adequate?
Ma'am, we don't know.
Adequate
Ma'am, we
means,
don't know.
okay, adequate means sufficient. Something that is sufficient in quantity, you say it's adequate, proper. Okay? Then after adequate, we have
Receive.
receive.
Ma'am, receive.
Now, I am sure most of you must have made mistake in receive.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not made.
R-E-C-E-I-V-E.
Ma'am, I receive is correct.
Everything is correct.
Ma'am, I receive is correct.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I also.
Then after receive, it was
Ma'am, poultry.
Ma'am, poultry.
poultry. After
Ma'am,
poultry,
this is not correct.
not poetry. Children, why will I say poetry? It's poultry. Poultry.
Oh.
Or you have written pole and tree. P-O-L-E-T-R-E-E. Poultry. Who has written that? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
All right.
No,
Then
ma'am.
after poultry, we had which word?
Delicious.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
delicious.
delicious.
All right. Delicious. Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After delicious, we have
Ma'am, Besaki.
Ma'am, Besaki.
Besaki. Check out.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have the 10th word, Fulkari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fulkari. This is what you have written.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then after Fulkari, we have.
Ma'am, industrial.
Industrial.
Okay. The 11th word is industrial. Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then we have
Yes, ma'am.
Kurukshetra.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Manufacturing.
Manufacturing.
Okay. Manufacturing. Just check it out, children.
Ma'am, it's correct.
Manufacturing. Then 13th word is
Ma'am,
Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra. Okay, this is what you have written.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
14th word is
Ma'am, lieutenant.
lieutenant. It's called lieutenant. Okay, how many wrongs? Just tell me honestly.
Ma'am. One is right.
Yes.
Five.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Am I all?
Now, please children, now just make the correction of lieutenant. Then we have governor.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, yes, governor.
governor. Now what we do is we make it N-E-R, but it is N-O-R in the end. Governor.
Am I all are correct?
Then after governor we have
Ma'am, Humayun's tomb.
Storm.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Humayun's storm.
Humayun's tomb. This is what you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the 17th word is
Parliament.
Parliament.
okay. Parliament. Parliament. Then
Ma'am,
after
this is correct.
this is correct. Then after
Ma'am, I-
parliament, have we written any word?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. Now when there are 2 minutes, let's write 2-3 words more. After parliament, children, write down Jamia Millia. Jamia Millia, which is a famous university of Delhi. The full name is Jamia Millia Islamia. This is one word. Jamia
Jamia.
Millia.
Ma'am, Milia.
That is so.
Jamia Millia Islamia.
Jamia Milia is long.
Ma'am, the word is so strange.
Yes. Jamia
Ma'am,
Millia.
Jamia Millia Islamia.
Yes. Jamia Millia Islamia.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Then after that we have dominant.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, dominant.
Yes, dominant. Jamia Millia Islamia and then dominant.
Ma'am, less than 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, class is going to be over.
Yes, the class is soon going to get over. Then the
Ma'am,
last
I'm
word,
talking-
children. The last word. We'll have 20 words. The last word, just write down. Engineering. Engineering.